The two most common source of energy for power generation are your fuel oil and coal. In the Philippines, we still import more than 50% of our fuel oil, but we source also local coal. Unfortunately, coal in the Philippines is of lower grade, so the import of this fuel is still necessary. By nature of the fuel, both oil and coal, it contains chemical substances and of course impurities such as minerals and sulfur. And the use of these particular traditional fuels are requiring extensive handling, storage, and of course processing. And in the process of using these particular fuels, they create a lot of serious impacts on the environment. The fuel oil and of course coal discharge actually substances which are toxic to the environment, such as some traces of heavy metals. Of course, you have the oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, carbon monoxide, and all these sorts of pollutants that have some serious effects on the environment. These particular pollutants are regulated by the government. That is why the energy sector is bent on looking at alternative sources of energy, particularly renewable sources. Renewable sources are known to have lesser environmental impact, if not no serious environmental impact at all. The current government of GMA will pursue rigorously in the next 10 years, between now and 2012, the full utilization of alternative sources of energy in the Philippines. And one of those energy sources that is being looked at is the wind energy resource. There are already projects of the government that utilize wind as a source for power generation. And the PNOC, along with the National Renewable Energy Lab in the US, conducted an energy resource study which identified many areas in the Philippines which have good to excellent potential for wind power generation. Wind is one of the renewable energy alternatives, particularly in the light of its environmental, importance. It's renewable, it can be replaced, it's free, but there are a lot of challenges, in this particular development of energy resource. Because in the Philippines, we are known to have at least, on the average, about 21 typhoons. which this particular system will have to withstand this particular weather conditions. But the technical and economic feasibility has already been established. But there are still a lot of innovations that can be put into wind, windmills or wind generators as a source for power generation.